Abran Maldonado, co-founder of Create Labs, ambassador for OpenAI, and creator of Clara. And today I presented all the amazing tools that are now available to all of us when it comes to AI content generation, generative AI, text prompting, learning the prompt engineering skills that we need for the future to coexist with AI. I think too often we worry about not having access to something and maybe telling ourselves, I would love to do this if I had a seat at the table, if I was in that city, or if I was in LA or New York, or if I got a record deal, I would blow up. Now with AI, all those tools are available to us to create the future that we want, create the things that we want to see exist in the world, instead of demanding that, oh man, I wish Apple would make this for me, or I wish Android or Xbox or PlayStation would make this thing that I want to see in the world. You can go out there and just create it. So now that we have access to all the tools, before the barrier was the access to the tools. Now that we all have access to the same tools, your ideas are your currency. What you do with that now is up to you. So yeah, as we saw on stage, a lot of kids are passionate about music. They asked me to make a music app on stage, and some kids wanted to know the music apps that I use when it comes to AI. And one of the reasons that they're passionate about that is because music equipment is very expensive, right? And that is also a barrier to get into that field. But now that you know that you have access to these tools without the spend on equipment and beat machines and keyboards, and you could do all this in big mixing boards. You could do all this right from your home, from any basic laptop, even the Chromebook that you get from the school. You can now build your music platform and build your whole production catalog and work with your friends and make music in a way that wasn't possible before. There's so much potential, and I see the kids are interested and hungry for that opportunity, and it's just my job to just let them know that the opportunity is sitting right in front of you right now. And I challenged them all and said, look, go out there, go make something, and if you make something and you send it to me in DMs, whether it's on Instagram or Facebook or wherever, I'll see it and I'll pay you for that work. You know, I haven't looked at a resume in years because all we do is just pay people for their creative work and hire people off their demos. And if I see a demo of you actually putting yourself to work in this passion, then we'll bring you on and we'll hire you. You have the right to be educated, and right now that matters more than any point in history, and it relies on you to educate yourself. You have to be a self-driven learner to take yourself into the future where you can thrive. And you can't wait on schools to find out the way that you need to learn. Only you know the best way that you learn. And the journey is waiting for you. You just got to get on it and go out there. My name is Abran Maldonado, and I know my rights.